Ever found yourself standing in the cleaning aisle, staring at a rainbow of sponge colors, and wondered why they come in so many different shades? Well, let me take you on a little journey into the world of kitchen sponges. Get ready to have your mind blown, not just by their colors, but by the science and purpose behind them. First up, let's talk about the color-coded system for these handy little tools. The color isn't just there to brighten up your kitchen, it actually serves specific cleaning purposes. Green sponges, these are your everyday heroes. Green sponges are typically used for general cleaning tasks. Think plates, utensils, and standard cookware. They strike the perfect balance between scrubbing power and gentleness. You can tackle baked-on food without worrying too much about scratching your dishes. So when you're washing your everyday items, reach for the classic green sponge. Yellow sponges. Now, when it comes to those greasy pots and pans, yellow sponges are your best friend. Why? Because they've got the extra scrubbing power to tackle tough, oily residue from your favorite meals. Just imagine the last time you made a delicious stir-fry. Those remnants can be sticky and stubborn. Grab a yellow sponge for those high-maintenance post-meal cleanups. Blue sponges, ready for a gentle touch. Blue sponges often have softer scrubbing pads, making them perfect for delicate items like your precious glassware or non-stick pans. You want them to shine without scratching, right? So when you're washing your crystal wine glasses or that non-stick skillet you love, go for blue. Red sponges, and last but not least, we have the red sponges, the heavy-duty warriors of the sponge world. These are designed to take on the most challenging messes. Think messy grills, baking sheets, and anything that requires a bit more elbow grease. The red sponge means business and is perfect for any tough cleaning task in the kitchen. But here's the kicker. The color coding also serves an essential purpose, preventing cross-contamination. This is especially crucial in the kitchen, where food safety is paramount. You definitely don't want to use the same sponge that cleaned up raw chicken juices on your fresh vegetables or a cutting board, right? By assigning specific sponges for specific tasks, you're actively protecting yourself and your family from foodborne illnesses. This simple practice can dramatically reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Now, while we're here, let's talk about maintaining those sponges. Remember to replace your sponges regularly. A worn-out sponge is not only less effective but also a breeding ground for bacteria. You can also sanitize your sponges by soaking them in a mixture of vinegar or bleach and water. Just make sure to rinse them thoroughly after any sanitizing process. So, the next time you're out sponge shopping, remember that those colorful sponges aren't just there for looks. They play a vital role in keeping your kitchen clean, your food safe, and your dishes sparkling. With this knowledge, you'll be cleaning smarter, not harder. So go ahead, show your sponges some love and choose the right one for the right job. Mind truly blown, right? Happy cleaning! If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting tips on keeping your home spotless. Let's dive into more cleaning hacks together.